So we are, that's our mic, that's the customer's mic, we'll do that at the end. Take it off Silly channel and onto Mega Chippie channel. And make sure they're up. Tango 21 test.
Tango 21 working.
Excellent, I'll put my extension speaker on. Okay, I'm ready.
Yep, roger that. Alright, we're passing the house and recording.
Roger on that, and I've got a tone control.
Roger that, so we're making our way up and towards the end of the lake, past Woody's Lie-By, etc. etc.
Roger, that's absolutely fine. And this radio is doing better than 0.2 microvolts. It's the best Rotel RVC240 that's given the game away that we've ever had.
Roger. It's a Rotel, is it? Oh dear.
That's giving it away. But we need to tell the audience how wonderful this particular set is, because normally it's only Binatone 5 stars that do this.
Roger that. Right, we're at the end of the lane.
Roger, and that got you the end of the lane.
When I said oh dear, it wasn't oh dear it's a Rotel, it was oh dear you're giving the game away.
Yeah, Roger.
Passing Ancaster Service Station and it's closed.
Roger on that. You know, we were looking for a high 8 video 8 tape. Well, I just found one in my workshop.
Very good.
I wonder what's on it.
Well, I'm sure you'll find out later.
Roger.
Right, we're now passing through Ancaster Crossroads.
Roger, got you going through Ancaster Crossroads.
Roger. Top of the hill, let's go down in towards Wilsford.
Roger, got you at the top of the hill.
Roger. Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now going around a scratchy corner, Wilsford. Over.
Roger, got you loud and clear coming round Scratchy Corner at Wilford. Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now going around Scratchy Corner, Wilford. Over.
Roger, got you loud and clear coming round Scratchy Corner at Wilsford. So
Well, I'm on the Rotel RVC240 using Cybernet 134 chassis from 1981. They're already doing full watts and I'm looking to on a Sanskrit replacement mic over.
Yep, roger that, all received.
Roger, Roger.
crossing. Over.
Roger, got you going over Wilford level crossing. Got you at the Chippie, sir.
Roger that.
Go down.
We're now passing the Greyleys turn. Over.
Roger, got you at the Greyleys turn.
Roger that. Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie, we're now at the 5 mile point.
Roger, got you at the 5 mile point. So, what we're drawing, 1.2 amps to do the full 4 watt output. I'm going to go to low power. Here we go, 54321. Now we're going back to full power, 54321, and there we are, over.
Yep, roger that, no problem on full power. I did have to knock the squelch off on, knock it off automatic squelch anyway on low power because you did cut out a bit. Not that good today.
No, fair enough, but it is doing 400 milliwatts on this set. Okay, off you go when you're ready.
Yep, roger that. Right, we're now on the move again.
Roger, Dodger.
Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie, we're now going over Rossby level crossing. Over. Yep, roger that. Petrol is 149.9, so they've changed the display now to 0.9 and diesel was 161.9, I believe.
Look, it's 3 or 4 years since that petrol display did 0.7 to the 0.9.
To that.
Okay, thanks very much. Post 73 and all that, and catch you later on.
Yep, roger, turn.
Okay. Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now going over Rotel level crossing. Over.
Roger, got you going over raw speed, level crossing. Have you got a petrol price for me at that end, please, over?
Yep, roger that. Petrol is 149.9, so they've changed the display now to 0.9, and diesel was 161.9, I believe.
Must be 3 or 4 years since that petrol display did 0.7 instead of 0.9.
Yep, roger that.
Okay, thanks very much. We've nothing to post. 73s and all that, and catch you later on.
Yep, roger, 10.
Right, wonderful. That was brilliant. We're going to go through to our base station. We'll see what it sounds like on his mic as well as ours. So there's ours, there's his Rotel one.
Tango 21 testing the Rotel RVC240 with our standard replacement mic into our Midland 76900 base station. Testing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. We're going to pop this speech processor thing onto clear that nobody wants to hear. There we are in clear mode if it's made any difference. There we are back in normal mode. All it does is switch your capacitor in, and we'll go to low power. This is a hum test. There we go on low power, testing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Back to full power, and then we'll swap mics. Tango 21 testing with the factory original microphone, testing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So I think the next step we've got